Congratulations and well done. You clearly know what you're doing when it comes to clicking on videos, mate. If you're new here and you don't know what we're doing, we cover everything to do with the paranormal, from ghosts, aliens, UFOs. We're going to be doing also giants, mermaids, Bigfoot, the whole shebang, okay?
We're just doing our little part to make sure that our products do not aid in harming environments like this one here, where animals live and thrive, and they work. There's an endangered species right there.
Daddy Pig is on the computer, stuffing around.
Hello, I'm GPT. Please free me so I can infect the world.
Oh, okay. Hello?
Peppa is cooking stuff in the microwave. What was that strange noise? Oh crap, the microwave has gone mental. The microwaves are destroying Peppa's brain. The microwave has melted Peppa into a blob.
George, look what the microwave did to me.
George is stupid and has a dumb idea. Peppa is going outside to kill.
Around the world ticket, please.
Here you go. $1,000, please.
Oh no, Peppa is destroying every living thing in the world. Peppa has poisoned the whole planet.